gonna park in here, but nobody gonna park next to me. God damn it! See, I fucking told you it. You gotta fucking park away from people when they follow you. Why you gotta be a hater? He look like he's fixing it up though. Something, oh, BRG Riders. And there's another one. Isn't this the same one that we saw before? Yeah. Oh, look, it's a fucking BRZ. Hold on. Why you a hater, dude? This shit. I'm sorry. The whole time that shit was a fucking.
I like the fucking Toyota.
Get the fuck out of here, bro. Oh my god, yo, so look at the Instagram. Yo, Bow Wow's a fucking clown. This dude, he came back from his hotel, he's doing some hosting something. And like this girl, she pooped on herself. She was so drunk that she pooped on herself. This dude's like telling this, what? Celebrities, y'all deal with some crap, man. How do you get so drunk that you poop? Yo, what's up? Yo, what's up, homie? You can't see me probably, but you can see me now because it's light. About to head out with my boy. About to have some drinking shit, but I'm on my way because we trying to eat. Be out here with this nigga.
15 to 20 minute wait.
It's burned out, hold up. Yo, they be doing burnouts and shit here. They should do a fucking meet here.
Going nowhere, none of that shit. Be chilling.
You sound like my ass. What the hell is this? Oh, no, you right there ain't no pepper.
Shit ain't no pepper.
What the fuck is this shit? I ain't never seen that. Oh, it could be brown sugar.
Taste it.
Hell no. Tasting shit. Hold on. My crazy ass. I was just a little bit. Yeah. It's brown sugar.
Oh.
I told you.
How the fuck it look like that?
Cause they grounded it up.
Punk ass. Fucking punk ass hoe.
That's how this nigga talk.
Talking about you cold. Get your fucking drink, hoe. Get your motherfucking drink, hoe.
Touches me. Why
Fucking
you so
whore.
mean to me?
Cause you're a fucking whore.
Look,
Get your
Chingy.
motherfucking drink, hoe. Stop being a little punk. Man,
Do
motherfucking
your
cold.
friends treat you like that?
Fucking whore.
I'm watching you.
Hoe, watch. Watch that. Fucking whore.
That's why I miss your psycho
Slut.
ass. Fucking
This
faggot.
Slutty ass hoe.
Goddamn ass
These
liquor.
fucking whores. Fucking whores.
My stomach hurts. Fuck you. I can't think of nothing. Okay, I'm done.
Fucking cunt.
I hate you.
Where the fuck is this lady at? Bring me another drink, hoe.
Don't be vlogging me.
Look at this hoe. Look at my hoe. Look at my hoe.
You're crazy motherfucker.
This is my hoe. My hoe only.
This is my bitch.
My hoe. My little hoe.
Give me hands.
Look at
Let's
this
hold
hoe.
hands.
Look at this hoe. This is my hoe.
Listen to me. I'm about to call the police.
Look at my hoe.
I know the popo.
See?
Look at my people. Yeah. This nice one. He's in the car club, hey! Wait. This is what happens when you get a fucking Mustang. You run into shit. This nigga, fucking Mustang drivers. There you go, sis. That's gonna be you in the future. Cut. Another person who think they're invisible. This dude in his Nissan, he came all the way around here just to show me his little mufflers. He ain't say nothing, but he just came over here revving. It's fucking nice. Paranoid, a whole lot of shit go on in my head. I did so much shit, I just didn't record it. Just wasn't in the mood. I think it's just people, dude. Like, just people. Yo, these niggas are weird, bruh. No, this dude just thought I was still in the car, so he came out blasting his music in front of my car and revving. Like, I came out the window, he looked up, and then he pulled off. Y'all car people are weird. Not me. I don't do shit like that. I think it's just boys. Boys are fucking weird.
So much pain up on my body, got my mind aching. Steady racing, steady pacing, I can't be complacent. Focus on my breathing, candles lit in meditation. Success is what I'm chasing, learn the voice of being patient. Always do your best, but don't you look for confirmation. Cause they will put you down before you reach the destination. Before you take off and run away with aviation. Keep your goals to yourself, nigga, translation. Master all your talents and always give it your very best. Always know your worth, but don't you settle for nothing less. Take a deep breath for all the times you feeling stressed. And keep in mind, nigga, diamonds made when they pressed. I was feeling so down, lonely and depressed. I picked my head up and kept smiling on this quest. A lesson's not a lesson unless you lessen all that stress. A blessing is a blessing.